How to start a nonprofit organization in Nebraska using busy.com. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start a nonprofit organization in Nebraska using busy.com. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over and click on the link in the description below for exclusive discount codes available only through our channel. And once you do click on that link, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So here, you gotta launch your LLC in minutes. And first of all, you gotta pick your entity type. In our case, it's nonprofit, and then you gotta select your state, which in our case is Nebraska. So you're gonna simply select it and click on Start My Business. Next up, you gotta choose your package. So here we have a basic plan, a standard plan, and a premium. Standard is for $0, but it has $27 state fee and it has a processing time of 4 weeks. It includes preparing and filing the articles of organization, free first year registered agent service, free first month of virtual address service, and it has expedited filing for $50 plus and some business contract templates, that is including $150 more, and some EIN, business tax number, corporate bylaws, and it doesn't have the lifetime compliant alerts, but it also has online access dashboard, business banking account offer, business tax consultation. And then we have the standard one that is for $199 plus $27 state fee, and the processing time is 4 weeks. So it includes everything that the basic plan does, but in addition, it has lifetime compliance alerts and unlimited phone and email support. And then at last, we have the premium one that is for $299, and it also includes $27 state fee, and the processing time is as fast as 3 days. So it includes everything that the standard plan does, but in addition, it has domain name plus business email, and it is free first year business phone number, and the offer is valid only for US based clients. And over here at the right side, you'll be able to see your order summary. So you gotta simply check your package and then click on get started. And then over here, you're going to give your company information. You're going to type down your nonprofit name, the designator, choose the designator, and after that, you're going to choose the business purpose. And once you type these, you're going to simply head over and then click on next. And then the question is, should your nonprofit corporation have members? So most smaller nonprofits elect not to have a formal membership structure and thus avoid documenting and maintaining membership rules, as well as avoiding the time and expense of having the members vote on directors and other major corporate decisions. So you're going to select whether the nonprofit will have members or it will not, and 96% selection rate. And after you choose, you're going to simply head over and click on next. And after that, you're going to choose the state filing time. So it is either 3 business days filing time, which is very fast, and it is for $50. And the other filing time is 4 weeks filing time. That is completely free, but you got to wait a lot. But if you want a very fast delivery, you got to select this and then click on next. And then you gotta give information about the contact person. You gotta type down their first name, last name, email, mobile number, and then simply head over and click on next. After doing that, you gotta give your company address information. And the first month is totally free for professional business address and virtual mail service, or you can also use your own address. And once you choose that, you gotta simply click on this, and then you gotta scroll down and click your contact address, such as country, street address, address continue, that is optional, city, state, zip code, and then simply click on next. And then you'd be asked whether you wish to upgrade for premium service package, and once you choose, you gotta simply click on no thanks or get limited time offer. And after that, you're going to give your directors information. So you're going to choose the number of directors. You can see that the number of directors for Nebraska is 3 minimum. And then you're going to choose the directors. For example, I'm going to choose this. And then you can add new director, director 2, and then director 3. And then some officer information such as president, secretary, treasurer, and the vice president is totally optional. And then you're going to click on next. So here you can see Nebraska requires a corporation to appoint a registered agent, and you can choose a registered agent. So assign busy as my registered agent, free for 1 year, or you would like to act as your own registered agent. And once you choose that, you're going to head over and click on next. And then you're going to get your employee identification number. And once you do so, simply head over, click on next. And after that, you'll be asked to set up small business banking, and you can either do it later or do it right now. And after that, you get to choose your preferred method of delivery. So you can either choose electronic delivery or FedEx Express. So I'm going to choose electronic delivery and click on next. After that, you're going to choose your tax strategy or free consultation. And if you're not interested, you can simply click on it and then click on next. And after that, you're gonna see your ordered summary, and once you do so, you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom, click on next, and here you're gonna give your billing information, give your correct credit card information, and once you do so, you're gonna simply head over and click on complete and pay, and that's it. You've completed the process of starting a nonprofit organization in Nebraska using busy.com. It's quick, affordable, and beginner friendly. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and don't forget to use the discount link in the description. So I'll see you in the next video.